Put it in there. What'd you do with it? Right here. Here. You show Tawny how you could do it. Put it in there. No. Put it in your toy. Right here. Put it in there. Yay! You did it! Where is it? There it is. Okay. Show her again, right there. Come on. Put it in there, right here. Here, you can get it. Here. Oh, yeah. Okay, put it in here. Yay! You did